What's going on, everybody? This is Stanley Carter here with Carter's Mobile Auto Detailing, straight out of Atlanta, Georgia. We got another banger video dropping today, you guys. I'm about to show y'all how this boat looks before we get started, so that way y'all can see how Carter's Mobile Auto Detailing brought the boat back to life today. We washed it. We're gonna do the inside. We're gonna put some wax on it as well. So y'all just stay tuned. We out.
What we have here today, you guys, is our boat. We're about to wash it, wax it, clean the interior. I just want to show everybody what it looks like now. Y'all see how everything looks now. But y'all already know we're gonna bring it back though. Y'all already know. Carter's Mobile Auto Detailing gonna bring this boat back to life. That's what we do. Y'all already know we're gonna bring it back to life today. So y'all see how it look now. Y'all just stay tuned to the video as we bringing it back to life. I'm gonna show y'all on the video. So y'all just go to my YouTube channel and I will have a end results on this boat today, how we did bring it back to life. Y'all just stay tuned. We out. Got this top part right here, y'all see. It's cleaned up real good on the top part. And then the apartment. We opened up all the apartments, cleaned out them as well. And working our way on through there. Yeah, everything. Y'all see how it's coming though. Alright, you guys, y'all see now. See how the inside looks now. Y'all seen earlier we had leaves all down through there. Got all the leaves out of it. Got all the mildew out of it. We're about to wash the outside of it now and put a nice good wax on it as well. I just wanted to see y'all, let y'all see how it looked right now since we got all the white back white on this boat today. We opened up all the apartments inside, got them nice and clean. We're about to wash it now. Once we get it washed down and get some more of this right here off, I'll let y'all see how the outside turned out. We're just now getting done with the interior of the boat. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, you guys, we're back. We done with the boat. We've been out here a couple hours today on this boat. Washed it, waxed it. Cleaned the interior real good. Scrubbed the floors. Got all the leaves up that y'all saw earlier. I'm gonna stroll y'all through where y'all can see everything on the outskirts. That's the motor. You see me walking through the paint. See underneath there, got all that good and clean. It's gel coated. Shoot y'all back up here so y'all can see everything. See how we got the top. When we clean our boats up, we always start from right here at the top. We do the top half. We step down to the second half. Then we start doing our walls and our flooring real good, then the seats. Then the ottomans up there, we get all that cleaned up real good to the ottoman up there with the nets. You stroll back this way, you can see all inch, all the corners, everything looks super white again. See right here. Y'all saw the floor earlier, it was all messed up with leaves all down through there. Got all the leaves out.
Did it go through?
I don't know. Just give me a second.
Oh, okay.
I'll look. Let me finish up the video right quick. And if y'all see down through there, y'all see how everything is white now. And the bottom of the rails down through there. All the poles. All your walls, everything got good and clean. Stroll back down this way. Walk y'all slowly through. Top edge. All the way across. Show y'all back in to the flooring. Seats, all that came good and clean. Y'all got a boat that y'all about to ready, y'all gonna go take it to the lake this week or this year? Give us a call. We come out clean boats, RVs, we do it all, y'all. Y'all see the boat? Slick at the touch of well, very slick. I took the seats out over there, let them sit over there to dry. Got them good and clean. Now I'm gonna show y'all back this way so y'all can see everything. Y'all see the top edge. Got the poles on the side over here good and clean. Step in back here in the back. Got all the apartments cleaned out real good as well. Look at the floor, got all the leaves out. Everything looks good now. I got the customer over here behind me. How's that boat look to you, brother?
The day we bought it.
Right,
Brand
right.
new again.
He said it looks good as day as he bought it. Brand new again. We've been out here today a couple hours on this boat. It was in bad shape when we got here, wasn't it, brother?
Oh yeah.
It was in bad shape,
Full
y'all.
of leaves.
Full of leaves. So there y'all have it. Y'all see all that aluminum came back bright again on his tires and wheels. All the frame. So y'all got it right there. Y'all see everything on the boat, how everything turned out. I know y'all just looked already earlier and saw how the boat was before we got started on it. Show y'all back through it one more time. So y'all like, comment down below, share the video. And if y'all, like I said, if y'all got a boat that y'all trying to put in the water this summer to get it winterized and summerized, you know, every year you gotta summerize the boat before you put it in the water. Then when you bring it out, you gotta winterize a boat. So, y'all trying to put y'all's in the boat, just let us know. Carter's Mobile Auto Detailing. We're one call away. We come to you guys at the convenience of your home and take care of all your professional needs on detailing. We out.